In this video, you'll learn how to produce product explainer videos using Higgsfield AI. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the steps necessary to create engaging videos that effectively communicate your product's value. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the AI video generated image generator by Higgsfield. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the main interface, which features various tools for video creation. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Sort to Trends. This is typically found on the main dashboard, and selecting it will redirect you to a new page that showcases different video creation options. You will recognize this page by its distinct layout and available templates. After that, find and click on the button that states Create Sora 2 Trends Simple, Fast and Accessible. This action will take you to a more detailed section where you can start the video creation process. A new interface will appear, presenting you with various features to customize your video. Then click on the option that says Turn Ideas into Viral Videos in Minutes. No complex tools or skills needed. This selection will lead you to the video editing area where you can input your ideas and see the available tools for generating your video content. Following this, select YouTube as your platform for video creation. This option allows you to tailor your video for YouTube's audience. You should see a confirmation message indicating that you are set to create content specifically for YouTube. Now, type in your ideas for the explainer video in the provided text box. Ensure that your content is clear and concise, as this will form the foundation of your video. Once you have entered your ideas, the interface will update to reflect your input. Next, click on Visuals and Sound to customize the audio and visual elements of your video. This section allows you to enhance the viewer's experience by selecting appropriate background music and visual styles. The interface will display different options for you to choose from. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click on Highlight to emphasize key points in your video. This feature will allow you to draw attention to the most important aspects of your product, ensuring they are clearly communicated to your audience. Then navigate to Settings to adjust any final configurations for your video. Here you can modify the video quality, aspect ratio, and other settings that may impact the final output. A confirmation dialog may appear to ensure your settings are correct before proceeding. After adjusting the settings, click on Product to specify the product you are creating the explainer video for. This step is crucial as it connects your video content directly to the product you wish to promote. Next, choose an image that represents your product effectively. This image will serve as a visual anchor for your video, so select one that accurately reflects your brand and product identity. The interface will allow you to upload or select an image from existing options. Following your image selection, click on Open. This action will finalize your image choice and integrate it into the video project. You should see a preview of the image appearing in the video timeline. Now, click on P-Reset to explore various templates available for your video. This step is essential as it allows you to apply a structured format to your content, making it visually appealing and easy to follow. Once you're in the preset section, click on All Presets. This will display all available templates, providing you with a range of options to choose from. Browse through the various styles until you find one that suits your needs. Next, click on Explainer to focus on templates specifically designed for product explainer videos. This selection will filter the options to show only the most relevant presets, making it easier to find the right fit. Now, choose a specific preset that aligns with your vision for the video. Selecting the right preset will help ensure that your explainer video is engaging and effectively communicates your message. Finally, click on Generate to create your product explainer video. The system will start processing your video, and you may see a progress bar indicating the status of the generation. Depending on the complexity of your video, this may take a few moments. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.